Hi, Dr. Sluggy. So I have watched your video, and I thought your tips for blowing out the birthday candle and the whistle posture were really helpful. And I've practiced quite a bit. I'm still not as good as you are, but hopefully it sounds a little bit more like it's supposed to, and like I would use in a clinical setting. So.